quick video on my solars. It's 3 panels. I'm not impressed with the frame. Definitely gonna have to change that at some point. But they feed over. I've got my deep cycle marine RV battery. It's got the 300 watt converter, charging up my little tablet slash DVD player, and it is doing an impressive job. As you can see, I hope, the little green, oh, there, just dropped into the charging again. But it's more or less keeping the battery charged while it is charging my little tablet. Seems like, I mean, like I said, I don't like the frame, the support frame thing for the panels themselves. But the system, and this is it right here, it's the Coleman 55 watt, 12 volt, comes complete with everything you need. I paid a little under 150, I believe, a little under 150 for it. And man, I am impressed with it so far. I mean, I'm getting intermittent sun. Keeps tucking behind clouds, and it is still keeping this battery full charged while it's charging devices. I've charged the camera that I'm using a little bit ago. Charging the tablet now. I've got a little USB rechargeable speaker that I plug into the tablet, just because the built-in speakers aren't real great for DVD. But as you can see, I think, let's zoom in a little bit. There you go. Got the 2 AC and 1 USB. And yeah, like I said, pretty darn impressed with this system so far. The money, I think I made a pretty good investment. You know, I'm going to be up here for literally my little tomato plants. Poor things. I'm trying to keep them warm at night. It's mid-30s at best at night. Yeah, and protect them from the wind a little bit. The wind just keeps thrashing on them. I'm going to plant them in that set of pots there. Put some rocks in them. As you can see, I've got potting soil. But we're going to give them a few more days till it's a little warmer at night. I'm afraid if I don't, I'm using this air mattress, actually, the darker color part, to put over top of it at night to help just retain a little heat for them. And they're doing okay. I bring them out and give them some sun and some water during the afternoon. So yeah, it's Wednesday. I got here Saturday late evening, well, early evening. By the time I got all the gear unloaded out of the trailer and yeah, scattered about. Got a little dome tent set up. Didn't get a whole lot done on Saturday. Now we're mostly settled in. I'm still doing a little bit of work getting the base camp set up here. Like I said, the camper, it's not where I want to spend all my time. it's going to be the base camp. I'm doing a lot of my cooking here. You saw previous video, my little stove, the cast iron griddle on top. Works great. I'm going to do most of my cooking here. But up there is where I'm going to camp. I got a site picked out where I'm going to set up another camp. And then just beyond that, up the hill, which I don't know if I can zoom in between those trees or not. Oh yeah, okay, you can see the hill going up there. Once you cap that rise, that's the national forest, the Okanagan National Forest. And it's huge. It goes all the way from here, middle of Washington. I could literally travel in that forest to Montana without leaving it. And we're gonna go spend some time up there once we've got everything established here. Should be entertaining. Hopefully we'll find some interesting stuff to show you. But yeah, that's the plans. Give you another look at my view, because hey, it's a nice view, really. A little overcast over towards the western side of the mountains there. In the valley below me, a little bit of civilization, but closest store, 10 miles one way, 20-mile round trip. I'm actually 336 miles away from home, on the other side of those mountains, across Puget Sound in Kitsap County. That's home. I'm over here in Okanagan County, north central. I mean, the Canadian border is half a mile that way. Maybe more. I don't know. The park, okay, yeah, the state park is a half a mile that way. The Canadian border, I'm not really sure. It leads into the Canadian border and continues as a national park in Canada. I believe it's like 200,000 acres. So, my playground is huge. Alright, well, we'll let you go.